Hi friends, have you ever wondered what makes a tiny dot on a slide look like a fascinating world under a microscope? In this video, we are going to demystify the microscope. First, we will break down the anatomy, showing you every key part of the microscope from the eyepiece to the base. Then, for the grand finale, we will place a real red blood cell RBC slide on the stage and focus in and see what those life-giving cells look like. And now, time for the anatomy. This is the eyepiece and this is the tube. This is the coarse focus knob, while this is the fine focus knob. This is the movable arm. These are the objective lenses. This is the mechanical stage, while this is the illuminator mirror. And at last, this is the base. Now, for your help, I am providing you a diagram of a microscope. You may refer to it. And now, the time for the grand finale. Let's see how a red blood cell looks like.